Alright, what's up, YouTube? Told you I've been working on something. Been working my butt off trying to get this done. Really coming up with the money to pay for it. It's been a long couple months for me, but it has paid off. I'm gonna go ahead and show you. It's gonna be a 2-in-1 video. Show you what we're working on. I'm gonna tell you why. I actually made a video and then I forgot to tell you why, so I'm making another one when I erased it. Anyways, it's gonna be a 2-in-1. I'm gonna show you what I did. I sure did. I built it. I had one built. Anyways, I'm gonna tell you a little bit about it. It is a 21 by 22. It's not huge, but it's plenty for what I need. I got it tall enough to where I can put a small lift in there. I ain't talking about a regular lift. I'm talking about a max jack, where it only lifts the car about 4 or 5 feet off the ground, but it's a 2-post and things like that. I got a 8x8 door here, 8x9 door here, walk in. Now I got a guy that's coming to do electrical. It's gonna be in April. He's an electrician, but they got the company he works for, he's got to do inventory or something like that, but he's gonna do it for me because I'm getting a bit of a deal with it versus going to a regular, you know, contracting somebody. Anyway, I mean, this is it. It's not huge, but it's plenty. Sorry for the lighting, but this is it. This is the new Money Pit headquarters, if you will. I hope y'all like it. I am extremely happy to have my own shop now. Been wanting this forever, and now I got it. Now, I don't know what we're working on. I showed y'all this before. I can't remember what year it is. 90, 91, 89, something like that. 5.0 car, automatic, original 5.0. Now, this car, I told y'all I wasn't going to do nothing with it. Or maybe I told some buddies of mine I wasn't going to do anything with it. But I am. Got big plans for this car. A lot's gonna get done within the next month because I got some bigger things coming up. Now let me tell you why this car is getting worked on. I have not forgot about the white car. The white car, you just gotta wait. You gotta trust me. I'm sorry. I know I've been telling y'all it's coming, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. But I got big plans coming in May. That has to do a lot with that car. And a lot with every other car on this channel. Big things, just know that. I invested in myself big time. Anyways, this car, the reason it's getting done and I'm getting to work on it is because my wife is fussing about all the cars I have. Now there's a car that I have now that y'all don't know about because it ain't here because my yard is screwed up. Like, it is bad from all the weather. But this car has got some things that I have to do like ASAP before I can even do the main things that I want to do. That's going to be in another video. There's going to be a separate video just about this car on what we're going to do, and there's going to be some work involved in the next video. I wanted to talk to y'all about something. Thought about making a Facebook for MoneyPit Garage where I could do little updates, sneak peeks, things like that. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. Kind of want to make one, but I don't want to make one and kind of waste my time if nobody's gonna do anything with it. But I may do it anyways. I don't know. I got a lot going on right now. Next thing, merchandise. Y'all know these cars take money, and I'm having to work a lot in order to build these cars, or whatever you want to call it, build the cars. And if I had shirts, hats, keychains, etc. made, it would help. I'm not going to ask anybody for money for free, but I don't feel like it would be a bad idea to come up with some merchandise, some cool shirts with Mustangs and things like that to sell in order to help fund these builds, because again, it's just hard doing it on my full-time job and all my bills and things like that. Plus I have to deal with my wife, and if any of y'all married, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And I got 2 kids. So, anyways, let me know what y'all think. Comment down below on the Facebook page and the merchandise. Until the next video, just stay in there, hang with me. I promise you I got big things coming. I'm sorry for all the empty promises. They weren't really empty, it's taking me longer, but just know that this is a big step in the direction that this channel needs to go. Again, like, subscribe, comment down below, do Mustangs.